Ever noticed how you seem to lose a little more strength each year, even if you're eating pretty well and trying to stay active? You're not imagining it, and you're definitely not alone. After age 60, most of us start losing muscle mass faster than we think. It's called sarcopenia, and it's a silent thief. But here's the kicker. A lot of that muscle loss happens while we sleep, or more accurately, because of what we're not doing before we sleep. Let me tell you a quick story. My neighbor Joe, 72, used to complain every morning that he was getting softer. He walked daily, ate his veggies, even lifted light weights, but he was still shrinking until one small change before bed made a big difference. He didn't start a new workout. He didn't pop some magic pill. He simply changed what he ate before going to sleep. Sounds too easy, right? But science backs this up. Certain bedtime foods can dramatically reduce muscle loss overnight and even help you rebuild what you've lost. And today, I'll walk you through the top 4 most powerful bedtime foods for seniors to keep your strength, mobility, and independence. Before we dive in, don't forget to tap that like button, share this with a fellow senior, and subscribe if you care about staying strong, healthy, and active as you age. Now let's get right into the first food on the list. It might already be in your kitchen. You might be surprised to learn that one of the best things you can eat before bed isn't some fancy health food. It's a simple little fruit you've probably walked past 100 times. Kiwi. That's right. The fuzzy green fruit is more than just a tropical treat. It's actually packed with nutrients that support better sleep and muscle repair. Two things that become more important as we get older. Kiwi contains a natural form of melatonin, which is the hormone your body uses to regulate sleep. Unlike supplements, the melatonin in kiwi comes straight from nature, and that makes it easier for your body to absorb and use. Eating kiwi before bed has been shown to help people fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, something we could all use a little help with. But that's not all. Kiwi is also loaded with antioxidants, like vitamins C and E, which help your muscles recover by fighting off inflammation and stress. That's especially useful if you've been staying active during the day or even just dealing with everyday aches and pains. On top of that, kiwi is rich in potassium, which helps prevent those annoying nighttime leg cramps that love to show up right when you're finally getting comfortable. And here's something that makes kiwi even more senior-friendly. It has a low glycemic index, meaning it won't cause a spike in your blood sugar. That makes it a safe and smart option for anyone managing diabetes. One of our viewers, Margaret from Arizona, told us she started having 2 ripe kiwis about an hour before bed. After just a few nights, she noticed she was sleeping more soundly and waking up with fewer muscle aches. So if you're looking for an easy and delicious way to support your muscles while you sleep, kiwi might just be your new evening routine. Stick around, because up next, we're sharing a bedtime snack that's creamy, comforting, and just as powerful. Now, if you're someone who prefers something creamy and satisfying before bed, let's talk about a food that's often overlooked, but absolutely perfect for nighttime: cottage cheese. This humble dairy snack isn't just for dieters or bodybuilders. It's actually one of the best choices for seniors who want to protect their muscles while they sleep. The secret lies in a special type of protein called casein. Unlike other proteins that are quickly digested, casein breaks down slowly, feeding your muscles gradually through the night. That slow release is exactly what your body needs to prevent muscle breakdown while you rest. Cottage cheese is also a great source of leucine, an amino acid that plays a key role in building muscle. That means this little bowl of cheese is doing more than just satisfying a late-night craving. It's actively working to keep you strong. Plus, it's naturally low in sugar and carbs, so it won't spike your blood sugar, making it a smart pick if you're watching your glucose levels. A viewer named Harold from Wisconsin wrote to us saying he'd started having just a few spoonfuls of cottage cheese before bed. Sometimes he mixes it with sliced banana, a little cinnamon, or even chopped kiwi for extra flavor and benefit. He says he's been sleeping better and waking up feeling less stiff in the mornings, and he's not the only one. If you're someone who often wakes up feeling sore or weak, this simple snack could make a big difference. You don't need a lot. Just 1 or 2 spoonfuls before bed can help nourish your muscles all night long. And don't go anywhere yet. We've still got one more bedtime food to share that's warm, comforting, and perfect for winding down at the end of a long day. After cottage cheese, if you're looking for something even simpler, but still powerful, there's one food almost everyone already has in the fridge: eggs. That's right, a single egg before bed can do wonders for your muscles. Eggs are one of the few foods considered a complete protein, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and repair muscle tissue. For seniors especially, this is key because as we age, our bodies don't build muscle as easily as they used to. What makes eggs even more special is their high leucine content. Leucine is the amino acid that signals your body to start building muscle. So if you didn't get enough protein at dinner, or just want to give your muscles a little extra support, an egg before bed can help fill that gap. But the benefits don't stop there. Eggs also provide vitamin D, which supports bone and muscle health, and choline, a nutrient that helps keep the brain sharp and focused. It's a little package with a big impact. We've heard from a retired teacher named Carol in Arizona who swears by her nightly soft-boiled egg. She says it helps her sleep better and wakes up feeling stronger. I used to think eggs were just for breakfast, she told us, but now they're part of my bedtime routine. If you're new to this idea, try a soft-boiled or poached egg about an hour before bed, especially if your dinner was light on protein. It's quick, gentle on the stomach, and a powerful way to support your body overnight. And if you're still with us, great, because in the next part, we'll share a warm, soothing bedtime food that not only helps your muscles, but also calms your nerves and prepares you for deep, restful sleep. Stay tuned. So you've had your egg, maybe a spoon of cottage cheese, and you're settling in for a good night's rest. But there's one more bedtime bite that could make a big difference, especially if you wake up feeling stiff or achy. Pumpkin seeds. Yes, these tiny seeds are far more powerful than they look. Just a tablespoon or two before bed can help relax your muscles and improve sleep quality in a surprising way. That's because pumpkin seeds are loaded with magnesium, one of the most important minerals for muscle relaxation and recovery. Many seniors don't get enough magnesium, and that can lead to restless legs, cramps, or even that morning soreness that makes it tough to get moving. Adding these seeds into your nighttime routine could help change that. But there's more. Pumpkin seeds also contain tryptophan, a natural compound that your body uses to create serotonin and melatonin. That means they don't just help your muscles, they also support your sleep and mood naturally. On top of that, pumpkin seeds are a great plant-based source of protein and healthy fats, and they're packed with zinc, which is especially important for older men because it supports healthy testosterone levels. We got an email from Jim, a retired firefighter in Ohio, who said he started keeping a small jar of unsalted pumpkin seeds by his bed. I grab a spoonful while brushing my teeth, he wrote. Now I sleep deeper, and my knees don't ache as much when I get up. That's the kind of simple habit we love, easy, affordable, and backed by science. You don't need fancy supplements or a personal chef to protect your muscles after 60. Sometimes it's the simple things that matter most, like a ripe kiwi, a soft-boiled egg, a spoonful of pumpkin seeds, or a little scoop of cottage cheese before bed. These foods may look small, but trust me, they're powerful. They work with your body while you sleep, helping your muscles rebuild, calming nighttime cramps, and even helping you drift into deeper, more restful sleep. I know it might sound too easy, but that's the beauty of it. You don't need to change your entire life overnight. Just build one small habit at a time. Maybe tonight, try a spoonful of unsalted pumpkin seeds, rich in magnesium and tryptophan. They'll help relax your muscles and might just help you wake up feeling a little less stiff. These are the kinds of bedtime snacks that don't just taste good. They do good. Think of them like a little hug for your muscles before you drift off to sleep. And hey, if this video gave you a new idea or reminded you of something helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with a friend or a loved one who might need a gentle reminder to take care of their body too. And if you'd like more easy, practical tips for aging strong and living well, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot more coming, and you don't want to miss it. Sleep well tonight, and don't forget your snack.